So, ladies and gentlemen, where are we at?
LEGOLAND!
LEGOLAND!
Built for kids.
What are we about to check out for the first time?
Lego Movie World.
Yep.
We're really just here for the Unikitty, and by we I mean just me.
But everything is awesome.
Yes, let's go see if everything is awesome. Here we go, about to walk into Lego Movie World. Where apparently everything is awesome.
Oh my gosh, you hover on your neck.
Yes.
I love it.
Sin, what are we about to ride?
Unikitty ride! The disco drop!
You look a little excited.
Everything is really awesome right now.
Get excited, guys. What do you guys think?
What did you think of Unikitty?
It was so much fun. I thought it was just going to be a straight drop, and it doesn't. It bounces around kind of like she would. So it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and if you watch it while it's going, her emotions change up on the top there.
I just love her so much. Absolutely do the ride. It was so cute. Spirit animal for life, Unikitty.
So we did that. Let's go check out the Lego Movie Masters of Flight. Here we go, this big giant building. Lego Movie Masters of Flight. Let's head on in. That's cool, they've got Legos you can play with as you're waiting in line. More Legos you can play with. Yeah, what are you trying to do?
I need a short one.
Are you trying to put the Real Geek logo on there?
I'm trying to.
Don't you know how to use Legos?
I don't even know my own logo. I've tried.
It's a T and a G.
I need a shorter one.
We gotta go.
No!
Fail.
Yeah.
You have failed. Oh, he's gonna try it again. Here we go. I'm probably gonna have to fast forward this segment as long as he's taking.
Stop.
Oh no, the line's moving again.
Alright, there you go, Clint. Beat mine.
Oh wow, great job,
There
Sid.
you
You're
go,
fast.
Sin. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. You did that you did that in 5 seconds.
Master builder. Master builder right here.
Legoland should hire you.
All right, he's trying again. Here we go.
Like I seriously, like I know what the logo looks like, but I can't freaking do it. All right, so let's go like this.
Tick tock, tick.
Shush. I don't do good under pressure. Put that there. And then let's build. Are we moving?
Alright, use this length for you.
Oh, nope, we're moving again.
I don't have small, straight ones like this.
Yeah.
That's my excuse.
Did you finally do it?
Somewhat.
With a little help?
With a little help from this guy, yes. The K was hard. I've never done a Lego K before.
Or like every time. Well, I was gonna say every time
dance party in here. I think I'm dizzy now. You ready to ride?
Oh, these are nice.
Here we go.
Check
We're on
it
our
out.
triple decker couch.
Yes, let's check it out. So we just rode Masters of Flight. What'd you think?
It was really cute. I love this little smell-o-vision, and I like the sweet smells, like candy in the beginning and the end.
Like a forest smell.
Yeah, there was a forest smell, like an oceany smell.
There's weirdos standing behind us. What did you think,
What
Clint?
did you guys think?
I liked it.
Cute.
The smells and everything, you know, it's just like all the other,
Pandora.
yeah, Soarin', Pandora. A lot more insanity, I guess you could say, than Soarin' or your other typical flying theaters. But I liked it. Definitely, the kids are gonna love it.
So let's go look at. Let's go look at the Battle of Bricksburg. I don't know if we're gonna
I ain't
ride
gonna
it
wet.
because I don't know if I want to get wet.
I haven't.
You get soaked on that ride.
Yeah, I don't have
so-
my raincoat, so.
She's all made up. So let's go look at it, Lee. So the third ride here in Lego Movie World is the Battle of Bricksburg, and it's a water ride. Maybe it was the Chimo ride. So there's some actual people riding. Up. I don't know if I want to get wet. Oh, these people are getting wet. I'm going to step back. I don't think they can force me out here. Unikitty back there. And the cool thing is you have these different ones where you can shoot at people. And you head into this last part over here. So I don't want to get soaked today, so I'm not going to ride the Battle of Bricksburg. But on a hot day, this looks like this would be a ton of fun. Definitely a fun family ride, and you do get soaked with these people. They are drenched. So I just finished looking at the Battle of Bricksburg, but I couldn't find Sin anywhere. I wonder if she's in the awesome shop, so let's go check out there. Oh, I see her. She's running around. What is she getting?
Oh, I remember.
What are you doing?
A little shopping?
And you're doing a shopping.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Look at how cool this bag is. It's hollow and Legos. And I normally don't wear watches, but how adorable is this watch?
It is adorable.
And also, because we need to be able to find my luggage when we're traveling, right?
Yeah.
And an adorable little nightlight. So you'll always know what mood I am before I go to bed. And so I can write you a secret note. It's got a little pen that glows. So I can write you invisible messages.
Ah.
And a keychain to be
Just
on the
'cause?
outside of the bag. Outside of the
'cause?
bag, just so you know. So this shouldn't set you back too much. It's your birthday, but maybe I get the presents.
Oh, okay. I see. I see how it's going to work. And look at all those unicorns.
Yeah, those are Tokidoki
This is obviously,
unicorns.
yeah, this is obviously you.
Yes. Yeah. And look at this cute little alien.
Yeah.
And I love that they also have Angry Unikitty.
Mm-hmm.
Wild Style's here too.
Yeah. Oh, I got Hammett. Got Happy Unikitty. And a big giant Unikitty.
So let's go ahead and check out. Yeah? Okay, maybe I'll pick just 5 things then.
The rocket person.
Of course, they have a lot of Lego movie stuff in here in the awesome shop. You know, got all kinds of, pretty much it looks like all the Lego movie sets. Even look at the giant battle. I guess it's Welcome to Apocalypse one. That thing is huge. Then they got a bunch of Unikitty stuff, including the Cartoon Network Unikitty stuff. Different Unikitty sets and cups. That and plenty of kids' clothes. Yep, sleepwear. Kids sleepwear. There's one adult shirt I saw. More kid stuff. I guess this is the boys' stuff. Even though some of that's cute. Got little hats. And putting away her stuff that she told she couldn't buy.
Actually, I'm getting some awesome sauce.
And you're getting some awesome.
And I'm going to buy this for you, for me, for you.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be your birthday every day.
Yeah. And then, of course, you got some Legoland towels because you're going to need them after you get off the Battle of Bricksburg. I guess that's Wild Side clip-in hair, or that's a Wild Side costume. Is that Emmett something? Oh, face mask. There's an Emmett costume, so they got Wild Side and Emmett costume. So pretty cute. And they got some adhesive stickers. And of course you can get the Lego Movie 2 video game. And then there's a bunch of keychains and luggage tags. And one more time here. LED light keychains. That's cute. That's all in the awesome store. We're now in line at the Taco Everyday stand, where every day is Taco Tuesday. Smoky brisket taco, a shell crab salad, plain grilled chicken. What is that? Is that a Unikitty cuckoo taco?
Yes, and it's on a colorful flour
Kids tacos, they got sweet bites, which looks like
cinnamon
paste. Yeah. And then of course you got your drinks and some beer for the adults. So all here at Taco Everyday, so we're gonna get our tacos and check it out. We got some tacos at Tacos Everyday. You see the slaw and the cheese and the pico, and this is the chicken taco. Let's give it a try here. Not too bad of a flavor to it. You definitely taste the cheese and the slaw. And if you want a little extra kick, you can get some sauces. Get some sauces on your taco. I don't know which sauce I'm putting on here, so I could destroying myself. Definitely a little bit better with the sauce. So that's your taco at Tacos Everyday. So as you're walking around Lego Movie World, you got all different Lego characters. There's Emmett, Benny. Here's Benny's play ship. You can see Benny up there. He has this little playground. It looks like Benny's ship. You got some random Lego Movie World citizen. There's a big Duplo character. Of course, over there is Unikitty. Over here is Master's Flight. We'll walk around here. They got a stage set up right now for the grand opening. Oh, there's a raptor. Yep. In Lego Movie 2, there's a raptor, and I forgot the name of the character. Let's just call him Future Emmett. I hope I'm not spoiling that for anyone. The flight, Battle of Bricksburg. You get a different citizens of Bricksburg up there getting ready for the attack. There's the back side of Vinny's place. Yep. And of course over here, taco every day. Everything is awesome. The awesome shop, and then of course Emmett is super sweet, and that's where you can meet Emmett and friends. So just all around Lego Movie World. Very cute. The next thing we're going to do is go meet Emmett and his friends. See who's in there. Alright, now we're all going to go to Emmett's Super Suite. It's like a party in there, maybe.
Hey guys, you guys ready to take a picture with Emmett Benny? We
Yeah. There's Benny.
Oh, I flipped her around, sorry.
Spaceship! Spaceship!
I don't know what that means. Thank you, bye.
Alright.
Thank you, bye. Hey,
I guess I can say hi to Benny.
how are you doing?
How are you?
So good to see you. I can get some video. I know.
Thank you.
High five. It's so good to see you.
Alright. One more. There you go. Alright.
Thank you, Evan.
Thank you, Emmett. That's it from the Lego Movie World. We had a great time here today. I mean, what did you guys think?
It was really cute.
We all already know how I feel.
Unikitty.
It's a nice addition to the park, and
Yeah.
we had a blast.
It's their biggest addition ever to this park, and it shows. You know, you got 2 new attractions and one that's redone, but I think it's the best addition they've done in a while, if not ever. So, good job, Legoland. We loved it.
Yep, we loved it, and hey, we hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you in the parks.